Let's steal ice cream from kids. Bro. Wait. Wait. What is this? Wait, what? Look at the room. Bro. It's controlling the game. It's still this. It's ice cream. Yeah. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay. Steal. Bro. Bro, again? Again? Bro.